In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete a property from a Notion database. By the end, you'll know how to remove columns you no longer need and keep your database clean and organized. Open Notion and navigate to the database where you want to delete a property. This can be a table, board, list, gallery, or any other database view. Locate the property you want to remove, then click its column header to open the property menu. From the available options, select Delete Property. When the confirmation message appears, click Delete to confirm. The property and all the data stored in that column will be permanently removed from the database. If you are using the Notion mobile app, open the database, tap the property name, then choose Delete Property and confirm the action. If you don't see the delete option, make sure you have permission to edit the database. Before deleting a property, double check that you no longer need the information stored in that column, since it can't be recovered after deletion. That's how to delete a property in Notion. Thanks for watching.